Thank you for watching this demo of using EquatIO with Google Forms. You will notice that at the top of my screen, I have a Google Doc that contains 3 math problems with 3 answers that I've copied and pasted from an alternate source. I'm going to show you how to input these questions into the Google form. Notice that I've already added the 3 questions to my Google form, but I have not put the math in just yet. I'm going to show you how to use EquatIO to input the math successfully into a Google form. Let's start with problem number 1. Select and click in the first blank just after the word solve. You will then notice that there is an Insert Math button. This Insert Math button is only there because you've installed the EquatIO Chrome extension into Google Chrome. Without that extension being installed, this button doesn't exist. Click on the button. This will open the EquatIO toolbar at the very bottom of your screen. I'm going to go back to my Google Doc and I'm going to select all the text that goes with question number 1. Hit Control-C and then go back to your Google form and click on your equation editor. Here you can click on Control-V. You're going to double check that this math copied successfully, which in this instance it looks like it has, and select Insert Math. Notice that it's making math and inserting the math into the Google form. This question is required for students to answer. I'm going to go to question number 2. I'm going to go back to my Google Doc and I'm going to copy the math, Control-C, and select Insert Math. Notice that you have the last problem from question 1 still here. I can easily get rid of that by clicking on the Clear button. Click back in the box and select Control-V. This question also looks like it was copied successfully. Go click on Insert Math. Scroll down to question number 3, click in the box, and select Insert Math. Don't forget to go back to your Google Doc. I'm going to copy this math. Notice this one has a denominator and a fraction. I'm also going to inform you that I created this question using the Google equation editor inside of Google Docs. You'll notice the font even appears slightly different. Make sure you've copied that math. Go to your equation editor, clear the last problem, and select Control-V, and you will notice that the denominator did not paste correctly. I'm going to select the denominator, and I'm going to tap Delete. I'm then going to select the numerator, and then push the front slash button. This will make my numerator correct, and then I'm just going to manually type in -7. Go ahead and select Insert Math. And notice that your 3 problems have now successfully been put into the form. Now let's look at the process for making this Google form a quiz and having these answers auto-graded as soon as the responses start to come in from students. First, select the settings gear at the top, and then go to the 3rd tab that says Quizzes. Select Quizzes, and toggle the button to turn this on to make it a quiz. You will want to thoroughly review all these options to make sure the correct boxes are checked. Then select Save. Notice now that I'm back into my Google form, when I click on my question, I will see a box that says Answer Key. Select Answer Key. Then go to Add Correct Answer and start to type in the answers that you want to allow Google Forms to grade correctly as the responses come in. You will notice an Insert Math button. Select it. Erase anything that might be existing in your equation editor, and then begin to type in your answers. Because 1/2 can be expressed in many ways, be very careful to make sure you input all possible answers so it will be graded correctly. I'm going to tap on Insert Math, open the equation editor, and my first answer is W equals 1/2. Then tap on Insert Math. I'm also going to accept W is equal to 0.5 and hit Insert Math. I would also be willing to accept W is equal to 0.5. And then finally, Insert Math. You will notice you also have the option here to make sure that all other answers are marked incorrect. So I would check that box, and you can leave student feedback if you would like. Instead of having you watch me manually input these last two answers, I thought I would speed up the clips. As you can see, I'm using the Desmos feature built into EquatIO. I also recognize that I can use the speech input tool, the handwriting tool, EquatIO Mobile, or any other tool inside of EquatIO. Don't forget that once you finish your Google form, to assign each question a point value.